Want a simple way to make money using Duck.ai? Here's a quick guide to get you started. Many creators struggle to turn skills into steady income. Duck.ai helps automate tasks, generate ideas, and scale services. Method 1. Freelance services. Offer prompt engineering, content drafts, or automated research to clients. Quick gigs can earn $20 to $100. Packages and retainers can bring in $200 or more. Method 2. Content creation. Use Duck.ai to brainstorm video scripts, social posts, and newsletters faster. Monetize through ads, sponsorships, or membership. Method 3. Productize automated tools. Build niche chatbot templates or micro SaaS using Duck.ai workflows. Sell on marketplaces or via subscription. Step 1. Choose a niche with clear demand. Step 2. Build a repeatable workflow using Duck.ai to produce deliverables in under an hour. Step 3. Create one paid offer, a gig, subscription, or product. Step 4. Launch. Collect feedback and iterate to increase price or scale. Pricing tips. Start low to get testimonials, then raise prices. Package services to increase average order value. Automate onboarding and delivery to handle more clients without extra work.